Hello children, we are doing class 8 together with mathematics, chapter 5 cube and cube root, cubes and cube roots. First one, which of the following are perfect cubes? In case of perfect cube, find the cube and find the number whose cube is the given number. We are doing the revision for this chapter actually. So here question number A, 1125. So in the answer we'll do 1125. We'll do the prime factorization for 1125. We'll do the prime factorization with here 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3 stable. So we can divide this on with 3 stable. So 3 3s are 9. Remainder will be 2. In small I am writing. Now it will become 22. 3 7s are 21. Remainder will be 1. 3 5s are 15. Again with 3 stable, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3 stable. So we'll divide 375 with 3 stable. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder will be 1. 15. 3 5s are 15. Now it is 125. So it is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3 stable. So now units digit is 5. Directly we will divide with 5 stable. 5 2s are 10. Remainder will be 2 in small. 5 5s are 25. Again we will write 5 5s are 25. So we can write this on as 1125 is a combination of 3 squared and 5 raised to 3. So since 3 cannot be expressed, 3 is not in the form of triplet. So here out of 3 squared and 5 cube, so we'll write is not 1125 is not a perfect cube, is not a perfect cube because 3 is not in the form of triplet. The form of triplet. Triplet means you know that power should be 3. Power of 3 is actually 2 only. So one more 3 is needed. So here we wrote because 3 is not in the form of triplet. Now B. Now B is 9261, 9261. We'll do the prime factorization for 9261. Again with 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 6 is 17 plus 1, 18. 18 is divisible by 3 stable. So we'll divide this 9261 with 3 stable. 3 3s are 9. Now 2 is smaller than 3. So since 2 is smaller than 3, it is not divisible by 3. So we'll write 3 into 0 is 0. Now remainder will be 2. 26 will be the 3 8s are 24. Now again remainder will be 2. It will be 21. 3 7s are 21. Again 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18 it will become. So with 3 stable, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 into 0 is 0. 3 2s are 6. Remainder will be 2. 3 9s are 27. Again 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1, 12 it is. 12 is divisible by 3 stable. So again 1021 you can divide with 3 stable. 3 3s are 9. Remainder will be 1. 3 4s are 12. And again 3 3s are 9. Now with 343 is divisible by 7 stable. Because 7 cube is 343. 7 4s are 28. Now 34 minus 28 will be 6. 7 9s are 63. Again we will divide with 7 stable. 7 into 7. So we can write 9261 as 3 cube into 7 cube. 3 times and 7 3 times. So we'll write 9261 is a perfect cube because it can be expressed in the form of triplets. It means actually because 3 and 7, I'll write 3 and 7 can be expressed in the form of triplets. Now they told you if it is a triplet, in case of perfect cube, find the cube and find the number whose cube is the, now here. Now if it is a triplet, you wrote 9261 is a perfect cube because 3 and 7 can be expressed in the form of triplets. 3 and 7 are in the form of triplets. So if they are perfect cube, they told in case of a perfect cube, find the number whose cube is the given number. So we'll find out the cube root of 9261. 9261's cube root will be equal to cube root of 3 cube into 7 cube. So instead of 3 3's, we'll take 1 3 outside. Cube means instead of 3 3 because order is 3. Instead of 3 3's, 1 3 outside. Again, instead of 3 7's, we'll take 1 7 outside. So it will become 21. So cube root of 9261 is 21. That is the answer. Now question number 2, evaluate the following. It's a part root of 7 squared plus 24 squared, the whole cube. So A is answer root of 7 squared plus 24 squared, the whole cube, equal to 7 squared is 49. There is 7 into 7, 49. And 24 squared means 24 into 24 equal to 576. So it will be equal to square root of 7 squared is 49. Next one will be 24 squared is 576, the whole cube, equal to, for 576 plus 49, that is square root of 625. 576 and 49 when you add, you'll get 625. 9 plus 6 is 15, remainder 1. 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 1, 12, remainder 1, 625. Now we'll do the prime factorization of 625. So with 5 table we'll divide. We'll get 125. Again with 5 table we'll divide. It will be 25. Again with 5 table, 5 and 5. So we 625 can be written as square root of, I'll write 4 5's, or you can write 5 squared into 5 squared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5's, the whole raised to 3. So instead of 2 5's, you can take 1 5 outside. Again, instead of next 2 5's, again you can take 1 5 outside. Why? Because it is square root actually. Instead of 2 5's, you can take 1 5 outside. So next 2 5's, 1 5 outside. The whole raised to 3. What is 5 5's are? 25 raised to cube. So 25 into 25. 25 into 25 is 625. And all those who can by heart, 625 into 25. That will be equal to 15,625. 15,625. 15625. 625 into 25. It will be 15625. 15,625. Now B part is B part. B part is actually square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared, the whole cube. Answer we are doing. So it will be 8 into 8 is 64. 8 squared is 64. Plus 6 squared is 36. The whole cube. Square root sign is there. 64 plus 36 is 100. The whole cube. Square root of 100. 100's prime factorization can do. 2 5s are 10. Again with 2 stable, 25. Again with 5 stable, 5 and 5. So it will be equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. The whole raised to 3. So instead of, because of the square root, instead of saying 2 numbers, you can take 1 number outside. So that will be equal to 2. Instead of 2 5s, you can take 1 5 outside. Whole raised to 3. What is 2 5s are? 2 into 5 is 10. So it will become 10 cube. 10 cube will be 10 into 10 into 10. Means you have to multiply and write 1000. That is the answer.